Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install Elementor Page Builder on your WordPress site. If you're new to WordPress and you want to create stunning, professional-looking pages without writing a single line of code, Elementor is the way to go. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll find this by going to yoursite.com/wp-admin. Once you're there, look on the left-hand sidebar and hover over Plugins. Click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in Elementor. You should see the Elementor Page Builder plugin pop up as the first result. Go ahead and click the Install Now button. This may take a few seconds, so be patient. Once it's installed, you'll see a new button that says Activate. Click on that, and voila! Elementor is now active on your WordPress site. You'll notice a new Elementor tab added to your dashboard menu. Now let's create your first page with Elementor. Go to Pages on the left sidebar and click Add New. Give your new page a title, then click the Edit with Elementor button. This will take you to the Elementor interface where you can start building your page using drag and drop widgets, and there you have it. You've successfully installed Elementor and created your first page. With Elementor, the possibilities are endless, from customizing headers and footers to adding animations and advanced design elements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.